Hey everyone, my name is Anna, and in this video I will show you how to get Monopoly Go reward codes. So first of all, let me show you what reward codes is and how to get them. As you can see, you need to purchase an actual Monopoly Go board game. Not just any edition, but the new Hasbro and Scopely edition. This will include the new free token that you can use in Monopoly Go app, along with the expiration date. Now to get this board, click the link in the description below and purchase through my special link. It will also support me in making these videos. Now, after purchasing and receiving your board game, you will need to go to the official Monopoly Go website and click on Login, and log in with your Facebook account. You can do this on mobile or computer. Here, you need to enter your code and enjoy your new token. Keep in mind that you can only redeem it 4 times, only once per account. So that's it, guys. This is how to get Monopoly Go reward code. Make sure to purchase through my link. I will really appreciate that.